Hey everyone, RJ here with CV Tech, and this little video here is going to be showing y'all how to make your phone a little bit faster, a very quick and easy way. I'm using the new Mobil G3 for this test. Now, I get questions a lot saying, my phone is slowing down, it's very choppy, it's very laggy, it don't really want to do a whole lot, or my storage is really being used up and I haven't really downloaded many games or apps or took many pictures, videos, stuff like that. And there is one thing in a lot of phones that people really don't check a lot of times, and this is what I always recommend them check. Now, a lot of newer phones does not offer this, or is in the optimization of the phone or whatever the case may be, but it is available in some phones. So I want to show y'all how to kind of make your phone just a little bit faster. You can go in there and check it, if it does seem to be getting slower, a bit more laggy, whatever. So let's go ahead and now we'll go into the settings. So what you'll want to go down here and do is go to your storage. And when you get in here, you will see all of this: apps, image, videos, audio, system, other, cache data, and explore. Now your cache data, that can build up over time. If you buy a phone, just say in January, and you use your phone and you never check your cache data for like 6 months or a year, this could be up to like 4 to 5 to 6 gigabytes of just useless stuff. And that right there will chew away at your internal storage. Now, like I said, a lot of phones that are newer phones may not have this where you can just push it and clear it. A lot of it is just done in the optimization of the phone, or it may have like just a smart cleaner or whatever that does all of that for you. But in some phones, this is still there. Now, if I go in here and press on clear cache data, it'll say this will clear cache data for all apps. I press OK. You'll see up here where it instantly gave me more storage. Now, that's not now 800, so was it 800 megabytes of cache data. In a phone like this, it's not really going to matter a whole lot. But if you have a phone with 64 gigabytes of storage, but if you got a phone with like 16 gigabytes of storage or 32, and you buy a phone and you really never check your your cache data in the settings, that can really add up over time. It can really bog your phone down, slow your phone down, and make it where it's just hardly useless to use. I mean, I've seen that happen a lot of times, many a times, and a lot of times it can just be easily solved by clearing the cache. And also, if you see yourself running out of internal storage very frequently, a lot of that could be to the buildup of cache data in your phone. So I wanted to just kind of share this along a little bit, go into the settings, into your storage, and if your phone allows you to click on the cache data, if it's got a lot built up, go in there and clear that out. You should see a pretty good size difference in performance and storage in your device. So if this little video is helpful and informative at all, hit that like button. Any questions, leave it below, and subscribe if you haven't. Hit that bell for post notifications. That'd be awesome. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.